What's going on, guys? I've got an unboxing here for you today. I've not done one for quite a while. This is a bit different. I'm sorry if I sound a bit strange today. I'm not feeling too great. I'm actually pretty ill at the moment. But we'll get straight into it. Today we're looking at the PowerUp 3.0, the smartphone controlled paper airplane conversion kit. So basically you can control a paper airplane with your phone. That's it pretty much. So let's take a look inside the box then. Just quickly get inside it. Let me just quickly say as well, this is like a great gift for anyone for Christmas. They're not too expensive, even though it says over 14. I mean, who really follows those guides anyway? How are we taking? Okay, what is this? Over. Ah, is that unclip? Ah, so I've got that out. We're slowly getting somewhere. Right, so let's see what's in the box. We've got the little paper bit. That bit comes out. Ooh, you get some cool little bits of paper. Mastered the Invader model, move on to the Nakamura. So we've got a load of paperwork here. Don't need that. What is this? Oh, it's a propeller. It's a replacement propeller. Okay, I don't actually need that. I've already got one here. So, how do I turn this on? Here we go. So we've got a little on light now. Just focus. Connecting. Searching. Search.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.